Hello students. So we are back with our PYQ series, and today we are starting with calendars. Today's topic is calendars. So let us see questions that UPSC asked in this chapter in last 5 years. Okay, any topic of LR has certain set types of questions, and questions are very standardized. That is why it is easier to attempt logical reasoning questions compared to other sections, because these are very standardized questions, and once you master them it is easier. See, the first question is, if today is Sunday, then which day is it exactly on 10⁻10th day? Now it may appear very difficult, but again last year also I had covered this type of questions in class under the format of what is the day after xth day, which is the day exactly on xth day after today. So here they have given a very big number, 10⁻10. The very simple funda of doing this is, we know that every week has 7 days, and 8th day after today is same day. That is, if today is Sunday, then after 7 days Sunday is again repeat. So after Sunday you will have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and 7th day would be again Sunday. So what we do is, we divide any given number, that is any given day on which we have to find out, after which we have to find out which day it is, and we divide this by 7, and whatever the remainder is, we just go those many days ahead. So this 10⁻10, if I write 10⁻10, that is 1 followed by 10 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10⁻10. I have to divide this by 7. Now I just only have to perform long division and find out the remainder after performing it. And only thing is, don't make any mistakes while calculating this division. 7 ones are 1, 3. We have 3. This 0 comes down. Then 7 4s are 28, and continue like this. 7 4s are 28. You get remainder as 2. This 0. 7 2s are 14. 6 0. Then you have 7 8s are 56, 4 0, then 5 0, 1 0, then 3 0, 2 0, 2 0. So you have 6 0, 7 8s are 56, and remainder is, if you continue like this, remainder is 4. If you start from Sunday, you go 4 days ahead, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, which is the answer. Next question, which date of June 2099 among the following is Sunday? See, what you know is, the examination of CSE 2022 was I think on 5th June 2022. So you know that this was Sunday, and based on this information you have to find out which date of 2029 is Sunday, June 2099 among these 4, that is in the first week. We have to see which of them is Sunday. So you just have to calculate what is 5th June 2099, and according to that you can see that if that is Friday, then 7th would be Sunday. If that is Monday, then 4th would be Sunday, and etc. So the only thing, again this is a standard question, that given a today's day, what is the day on some future date? So we are given this 5th June 2022 as Sunday, and we will go from here to 5 June 2022 as Sunday. That is given on your hall ticket. You note that day's day, and you want to go till 5 June 2099. So you can see that there are 77 years in between. This gap is of 77 years, and out of those 77 years we want to find out how many leap years come, because each leap year has 52 full weeks and 2 extra days, and each non-leap year has 52 full weeks and 1 extra day. So we want to find out how many extra days are coming up, and accordingly we will go extra from Sunday to that day ahead. Now out of these 77 years, first leap year is 24, then there will be 28, then there will be 32, and so on till 96, 2096. These are the leap years. This is 4 into 6, this is 4 into 24, so this is 24 minus 6, 18, but we have to include both of them. So 19 leap years are there. So we have 19 leap years plus rest of them would be non-leap years. So how many are there? I think 59, 58 non-leap years are there. So 19 leap years will give you 38 extra days. 58 will give you 58 non-leap years will give you 58 extra days, because 1 gives you 1. So total extra days is 96, and if you divide by 7, you have 13 into 7 as 91. So you have remainder as 5. So you have to go 5 extra days on 5th June. 5 extra days, meaning this 5th June 1999 is from Sunday you go to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So 5th June 2099 is Friday. So 6th June is Saturday, 7th is Sunday. You are asked which of the following dates is Sunday? 7th would be Sunday. That is the answer. The only thing we have to see is out of these 77 years, how many are leap and how many are non-leap, and accordingly we have to calculate extra days, divide by 7 to find out cumulative extra days. So answer here is D, 7 extra days. Next question, let us see. We have two statements and a question. This is the data sufficiency type of question. Let us first read the question. Question says, what day is the 14th of the given month? So there is some month about which statements are given, and we just have to find out what is the day on 14th. Now first statement is the last day of the month is Wednesday. Last day of the month is Wednesday. Now if the month is of 28 days, then 14th would be accordingly different. If the last date is 29, then 14th would be different. If the last date is 30, then this 14th of the given month would be different. If the last date is 31, then this would be another another day. So answer to this question depends on how many days are there in the month, and accordingly what is the last day of the month. Is it a 28-day month, 30-day month, 29-day months or 31-day months? It depends on how many days are there in this particular month. What is the answer to this question? So the statement 1 alone is not enough to solve this question clearly. Now statement 2, the third Saturday of the month was 17th day. Now what they are essentially saying is third Saturday of the month is 17th day. So 17th of that month is equal to Saturday. Now can you find out 14th or not? Definitely 17th is Saturday, then 16, 15, 14. This would be Friday, this would be Thursday, this would be Wednesday. Yes, we have the answer. Very simple. Essentially this statement is saying 17 तारीख को Saturday है तो 14 तारीख को क्या होगा? If 17th is Saturday, then what would be the day on 14th? Of course I can answer. So answer to this question is statement 2 alone is sufficient. So that is B. Yes. Now this again question, very same style, there is nothing different. Only thing is let me just check when was that exam held. Yes, this particular exam of CSE 2021 was held on 10th October 2021, of course, and it was Sunday because exam is held on Sunday. CSE Prelims is held on Sunday. So question is, if this was Sunday, then what is this date? Date is same. We just have to worry for years. How many years are there? From 2021 to 27. So there are 6 years in between, out of which only 2024 is leap. So out of 6 we have 5 non-leap years and 1 leap year, only 2024, right? So this will give you 5 extra days, this will give you 2 extra days. So it's total 7 extra days, which is equivalent to 0 extra days when you find the remainder after dividing by 7. So if this is Sunday, this is also Sunday. It is as simple as that. Very simple question. Next. Now this is a very interesting question. Now question says it is a mixture of calendars and arithmetic. We have from January 1 the price of petrol and price of petrol on mth day of the year. So January 1 is the first day of the year, January 2 is the second day of the year, and so on. It's 80.0.1 into m, and m is up to 100 and thereafter it remains constant. So up to 100 days, 100th day of the year, price of petrol increases and then it remains constant. But price of the diesel on nth day of the 2021 is 69 plus 0.15 n for any n. Now price of diesel is keeping on increasing, there is no constant. It doesn't become constant after 100 days like petrol. Question is on which date of the year the prices of two fuels become equal. Now there are two choices. See, price of petrol is like this. We have price of petrol is increasing till 100th day and it becomes then constant, right? I hope it is visible. This is price of petrol, and after day number, no, this is price, this is day number 100, it becomes constant thereafter. So price of diesel, it doesn't start from 0 as well, it starts from 80. Let me again redraw it. Price of petrol is, it starts from 80 and then it becomes constant after day number 100. This is 80, and we have price of diesel which starts from 69, 69 point something, 69.15 on 1st January, and it either it increases and intersect like this, or it intersects after petrol ka price becomes constant, one of the two. Now if you just calculate price of diesel of petrol and diesel on 100th day, then you will, if price of petrol is more, then this is the graph, that is diesel price and petrol price become equal after 100 days, or if price of diesel is more than price of petrol on 100th day, then this has to be the graph, it will intersect earlier. Simply let us calculate now price of petrol on 100th day, which is 80 plus 0.1 into 100, which is equal to 90. So this value is 90. This value is 90, and price of diesel on 100th day is 69 plus 15. 69 plus 15 is 82. This is 82 on 100th day. So graph is like this. There is a gap, and this price of diesel is 82. What we want, after day number 100, price of petrol will remain 90. It won't change. We want to find out when will the price of diesel become 90, so that they become same. That is what is asked. We just put that in this value. So 90, which is what we want diesel ka price to be, there is equal to 69 plus 0.15, and now we just want to find out at what day, at which particular date it happens, after how many days, after how many, on how, which day, nth day, na? On which nth day does this happen. We just solve this. 90 minus 69 is 21. Yes, 21 is equal to 0.15 n. So n is equal to 21 divided by 0.15 is equal to 2100 divided by 15 is equal to, if you just divide, you get 15 ones are 15, 6 0 15, 6 are 90, and this. It happens on 160th day of the year. Now the question is, which day is the 160th day of the year? And this year is 2021, which is a non-leap year. We want 160th day of the year. January has 31 days, Feb has 28, March, then April, and see all the options are from May. So let us just find out how much is this. This is 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 8, 10. 1 is the carry forward, 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12. So we have 120 days are over. Sorry, 1 month I have forgot, na? Jan, Feb, March, April, was that right? 210 by 0.15 is equal to 210 by this is 140, not 160. That is the mistake. This is 140th day we want to find out. So we are at 120 day. We want 20 more days. So we have 20 days of May to go after these many days. So answer here is B. 120 days are over till April end, and 20 more days of May we will need. Next question, again similar theme. We have in a particular year 12th January is a Sunday, then which of the following is correct? We want to find out what days are there on 15 July and 12 July, depending on year is leap or not. We are given 12th January, 12th Jan is equal to Sunday. You want to comment on 12 July and 15 July in two cases, when it is leap year, when it is non-leap year. Fine. Let us start from 12th January. January is of 31 months. So after 12, how many more days there are in January? We have 19 days in January. In February, let us first calculate non-leap. Okay. In February, non-leap year, there are 0 extra days. After 4 weeks, 0 extra days. Then we have March, we have 3 extra days. In April, 2 extra days. In May, 3 extra days. You want to go to July, no? In June, 2 extra days. Fine. And 12th of July. Let us first calculate 12th July. So how many is this? 3 and 3, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 31 is equal to 41. 41 is same as 6 extra days. So it is 12th July would be non-leap Saturday. So 15th July would be Sunday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And in leap year, only thing that will differ is this would be 1, this would be 42. So extra days will become 0. So in leap year, it will be same as Sunday, and this will be Wednesday. Now let us see the option. In leap year, see option number C, 12th July is Sunday if the year is leap. 12th July is Sunday if the year is leap. Now these are things that you may feel that it is very difficult to do, or I am doing it way too fast. Please understand that if you join the batch, I will teach you how to do it, of course, because it is a very simple thing. We just have to calculate how many extra days are there in each month after entire week is over. After number of weeks are getting over in a month, how many extra days there are still remaining. So we have 19 extra days in January because January is a 31-day month. 1 in February because in a leap year we are calculating, because we have 29 days. So 28 days meaning 4 full weeks and 1 extra day. Same story with March, 31-day month, 4 full weeks plus 3 extra day. This is April, May, June, and July because we are calculating for 12th July. So 12 extra days. So total 42 extra days. That is why it comes out as 0 extra days when we divide by 7 and find out the remainder. Now again, this is a very standard question. there are few rules of this. I mean, this is a bit of mugging up that you have to do. Which year has same calendar as that of 2009? Now the rules are, first rule is, if we have leap year, calendar will repeat after 28 years, provided this year has to be leap. If we have leap year plus 1, the calendar will repeat after 6 years. If we have leap year plus 2, calendar will repeat after 11 years. If we have leap year plus 3, then calendar will repeat after 11 years. These are the rules. Apart from that, there are few special cases. Special case first is, if we have year like 1872, which is a leap year, and adding 28, you will go to 1900, which is not a leap year. So these two calendars cannot be same. So in this special case, we add plus 40. That is another special case of this leap year case, when adding 28 does not give you leap year. And one more special case is this kind of years, which are end of the century, non-leap years. This is not a leap year because not divisible by 400. But if you add 28, it would be a if you add it is not in any of this category. So for in this special case, end of the century, non-leap year, you add plus 6. So these are the 6 rules. But question they asked was very difficult. It was not from special case. It is just 4n plus 1 type, because 2008 is a leap year. So this is leap year plus 1 type. So calendar will repeat after 6 years. Answer here directly is 9 plus 6, 2015. Next question. Fine. Mr. X here has 3 children. Okay. Now this is a good question, because it really requires to apply your mind. The birthday of the first child falls on the 5th Monday of April, and second child falls on the 5th Thursday of November. Question is, which day is the birthday of third child, which falls on 20th December? Now what is the question? The first 2 children are born, and that particular year their birthdays are 5th Monday of April and 5th Thursday of November. We observe that both April and November are 30-day months. So there are only 2 days that will be repeated 5 times. Whatever is there on 1st of the April, the same will be the day on 29th of the April. 2nd of April is same as 30th April, and those are the 2 days that will repeat 5 times. And same is the story with November. 1st November and 29th November, 2nd November and 30th November will have same days, which will come 5 times, and all the rest days will come only 4 times, because there are only 2 extra days in April and November. Now what is given in the question is, first is born on 5th Monday of the April and second is on the 5th Thursday. Fifth Monday, so it is on 29th. It can be on 29th or 30th April, and question says it is either 29th is Monday or 30th is Monday, because his birthday, first child's birthday, falls on 5th Monday of the April, and for November either 29th or 30th can be Thursday. That is the only possibility. Now what we have to make sure is, we have to say, if assuming 29th April as Monday, is it possible to have any of the 2 days as Thursdays? That we have to check. And then secondly, if not assuming to 30th April as a Monday, is it possible to have any one of those days as Thursday? And out of these 4 choices, that this is Monday, this is Thursday, this is Monday, this is Thursday, this is Monday, this is Thursday, this is Monday, this is Thursday. Out of those 4 choices, only one will be valid and all other cases will be eliminated. Let us begin by assuming 29th April as Monday. 29th April as Monday. So let us calculate what is 29th of November. So again calculating extra days, because it is April, we are on 29th. So we have 1 extra day, right? 1 extra day in April, then 3 in May, 2 in June, July, then August, September, October, and November we have to go till 29. So let us calculate. This is 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 14, 3, 17 plus 29. So we have 46, which is equivalent to 4 extra days. So from Monday we have to go 4 ahead. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So according, if we assume this as Monday, then this comes out as Friday and this obviously Saturday. So none of them as Thursday. So this is not possible, because if this is true, then this is Friday and this is Saturday, none of which is Friday, which the question gives as a condition. So first is eliminated. So this is not possible. So we now start working with 30th April as 30th April is equal to Monday. Now let us calculate extra days. No extra days in April, May, June, July. Honestly, it will just be 1 less than what we had previously. I think previously we had 46 extra days. Here it will be 45 extra days, which is equivalent to 3 extra days. So Monday will go to Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, right? So we'll have 29th as Thursday. Now the question is, if 29th November is a Thursday, what is 20th December of the same year? 29th November is Thursday. So we have 30th November as Friday, 1st December as Saturday. So 8th December as Saturday, 15th December as Saturday, 22 December as Saturday. So 20th December would be 2 behind from Saturday, Friday and Thursday again. Answer here is Thursday. This is a quite a lot application of calendars chapter. So you really need to analyze this, analyze and understand this chapter well to solve this question. In actual examination condition, you could have left this question alone, because there are enough easy questions in that year's CSE paper. Next, this is not a calendar question per se, but let us do it anyway. In 2002, Meenu's age was 1/3 of age of Meera, whereas in 2010, Meenu's age was half that of Meera. And what is Meenu's year of birth? Let us assume that Meenu's age in 2002 was small m, and Meera's age was, let us say, capital M. So what we have, m is equal to m by 3. In 2002 their ages are small m and capital N, and whereas in 2010, that is 8 years after, Meenu's age would be m plus 8 and Meera's age would be capital M plus 8. After 8 years both of them will be 8 years older, and Meenu's age was half that of Meera, right? So 2 equations, 2 unknowns. Question is what is Meenu's year of birth? So here you will get small m ka value. So 2002 you will have age of Meenu as something, and those small m years back she would have been born. So let us first calculate this small m. You have from this equation, capital M is 3 times small m. So we have m plus 8 is equal to 3 times small m plus 8 by 2, which implies cross multiplication. 2m plus 16 is equal to 3m plus 8. So we have 3m minus 2m is m, 16 minus 8 is 8. So small m is 8. So in 2002, Meenu was 8 years old. So of course she was born 8 years ago. That is why in 2002 she is 8 years old. So 2002 minus 8 meaning she was born in 1994, which is the answer of this question. I hope this was helpful. And we are starting our new CSAT batch, CSAT Foundation batch from 8th of January 2024. You are welcome for demo class on 8th and 9th of January. And I hope to see many of you there and see if our course is fit for you. and thank you.